So we're opening up a Prizm WWE White Sparkle pack that I picked up off the Panini website last week. I was able to pick up 2.
Let's go.
And let's see. Let's hope for that 101 auto. Hopefully we get a rock. White Sparkle. Here we go. First card. Malik Blade rookie.
Oh shit.
No auto.
Okay, no worries.
No auto. Or we'll just go like this. Malik Blade. White Sparkle rookie.
On, let's go.
Oh, Shane McMahon. Okay.
Okay.
I'll take
Is
that.
the husband of...
Okay, I'll take Shane McMahon. Okay.
Is it Stephanie?
Let's go.
Here we go. Not a rookie. Demon Finn Balor. Kaylee Ray. Okay. Take those.
One more? Oh no, that's
just 3.
Just 3. Those 3 right there. That's
This one's not bad.
$300 right there. Shane McMahon's a good one.
Yeah. Probably the best one.
Yeah, Kaylee Ray.
I don't even think I pulled that fool like regularly.
Shane McMahon's a good one. How's the centering?
That's good. You know you can open, you know.
Yeah, I'm open the other one. We can't have this 1 minute video. We cannot have this 1 minute video. Malik Blade, I don't know if he NXT UK. Oh no, regular NXT. Okay. Oops. At least I got 1.
That's why you got 2.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's why you got 2.
Let's go.
I'm happy with that.
It's not like...
We got Shane McMahon,
I think we're...
Malik Blade,
Salute, my friends.
and Kaylee Ray. Let's open up the other one. We
Good
can't.
luck, bro. Good luck. Let's do this.
We can't make this a 2 minute video.
Come on. Oh, you could do the... Oh,
Ultimate Warrior, baby!
God
Let's go.
Damn. Oh, dude,
Alright.
this is gonna be a heavy pack.
Let's go, baby.
Come on, dude.
Ultimate.
No auto.
Okay.
Ooh.
Fuck
Is it another side? Oh.
Oh, here we go. No, not a rookie. Okay.
The Rock. Boom.
Sonya Deville. Okay, I'll take that.
Let's get a better one. Let's
Come
go
on.
right here.
Ultimate
This is it.
Warrior?
Oh,
This
yes.
is the one. This is the one, bro. Let's get a Stone Cold.
James Drake. James Drake. Okay. Ultimate Warrior. Okay.
Dude, Ultimate Warrior, that shit is clean, bro.
Damn, Ultimate Warrior.
The Ultimate Warrior, baby. Woo.
Damn. Bro, look at that.
Ultimate Warrior, nice.
Well, at least it was like each pack had a nice good hit.
Yeah.
Shit, bro.
It's a nice Ultimate Warrior.
Damn, bro. I don't even know if
Something
that's
here.
even legit enough, but like.
Wait, what?
His wife did little.
If they just didn't get that.
The fuck?
That is so.
His wife did little thing. These are supposedly short printed to 20, number to 20 each.
Are they really?
Oh, wow, shit.
So value should be around an out of 25 maybe, if not more, because the White Sparkle looks badass.
Fuck yeah.
Dude.
I think the fact that it's not numbered makes it more interesting. All those white sparkles.
There you have it. Shane McMahon, Kaylee Ray, Malik Blade. I think they hit up both the packs. Ultimate Warrior. Sonya Deville. Sure, right. James Drake. Should have got more packs.
Oh no, I know.
It's worth it.
I
It's
should've got
way
more
worth
packs.
it.
It
It's way
is because
fucking
you just need that one good, and it just everything clears.
It
I
was-
could probably just pay for your whole shit.
It's fast, but it's fun.
Yeah, you're happy with what you're
It's
holding.
fast, but it's fun. There we go. That was 2 Prizm WWE White Sparkle packs. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, peace.